Russia's state defense conglomerate Rostec confirmed that its high-precision systems holding has delivered a new batch of BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicles to the Russian Ministry of Defense, with January shipments exceeding planned targets by 40%. According to a statement from Rostec's press service, the latest delivery includes upgraded BMP-3 vehicles incorporating a range of modifications aimed at improving combat effectiveness and protection. The BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicles, produced by the High Precision Systems Holding, are valued in the troops for mobility, firepower, and ease of operation, the company said. Rostec stated that the platform continues to undergo modernization based on experience gained in real combat operations. We clearly understand how in demand the BMP-3 is in the troops. The enterprises of the Rostec State Corporation operate around the clock and ensure steady deliveries of modern armored equipment without ceasing its modernization, said Bakan Ozdoyev, industrial director of the armaments cluster of Rostec State Corporation and member of the Bureau of the Union of Machine Builders of Russia. The new batch of 3s has been shipped by our high-precision systems with a number of improvements. Each vehicle is equipped with a more modern electronic warfare system. Protection of the bottom against explosions has been strengthened, and the anti-fragmentation armor resistance of the rear and front sections has been increased, Ozdoyev added. Rostec said its armored vehicle plants are operating around the clock and that specialists continue revising the BMP-3 design based on operational experience from the war in Ukraine. The company highlighted the addition of extra protection kits, including side screens, protective grills, upper hemisphere protection, and visibility-reducing materials as part of what it described as an ongoing adaptation effort. Today's standard BMP-3 configuration differs from vehicles delivered before the start of what Moscow calls the special military operation, Rostec said, noting that dozens of changes have been introduced over the past 4 years. The BMP-3 is a tracked infantry fighting vehicle armed with a 100mm main gun capable of firing conventional rounds and guided missiles, paired with a 30mm automatic cannon and machine guns. It is designed to transport infantry while providing direct fire support and armored protection. However, independent assessments offer a more critical view of the platform's performance. According to the monitoring group Oryx, which relies on photo and video evidence, Russia has lost at least 786 BMP-3 vehicles of various modifications during the war. The group tracks only visually confirmed losses, meaning the total number may be higher. Ukrainian and Russian analysts have noted that the BMP-3 remains vulnerable to modern anti-armor weapons. Discussions within Russia have also questioned the vehicle's battlefield endurance when compared with Western infantry fighting vehicles deployed by Ukraine. The BMP-3, originally introduced in the late 1980s, has long been a cornerstone of Russian mechanized units due to its amphibious design, heavy armament, and troop-carrying capacity. The base model features a 100mm 2A70 rifled gun capable of firing high-explosive fragmentation shells and guided missiles, paired with a 30mm 2A72 autocannon for anti-infantry and light armor engagements, and a 7.62mm PKT machine gun. It can transport up to 7 infantry soldiers while providing fire support, with a top speed of 72 km per hour on roads and 10 km per hour in water, thanks to its 500 horsepower UTD-29 diesel engine. However, the recent upgrades elevate this platform to new heights, addressing lessons learned from ongoing operations and incorporating cutting-edge technology to make it nearly unstoppable. One of the most critical enhancements is in armor and protection systems, transforming the BMP-3 into a resilient beast against modern threats. The upgraded variants now include modular reactive armor kits, which detonate upon impact to neutralize incoming projectiles like anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, and rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs. Anti-cumulative grills and side skirts have been added to deflect shaped charges, while upper grills protect against top attack munitions. Underbody protection has been reinforced to withstand mine blasts and improvised explosive devices, IEDs, a common hazard in asymmetric warfare. Electronic warfare, EU, integration marks another game-changing upgrade, positioning the BMP-3 as a counter to the drone-saturated battlefields of today. Each new vehicle comes equipped with advanced EU systems designed to jam and suppress first-person view, FPV, drones, which have proven devastating in recent conflicts. Anti-drone cages, colloquially known as Mongol grills, provide physical barriers against kamikaze drones, preventing direct impacts on vulnerable areas like the turret and engine compartment. This combination of electronic and mechanical defenses ensures that Russian BMP-3s can operate in drone-heavy environments with reduced risk, enabling them to close in on enemy positions and deliver devastating firepower. The firmware suite integrated into the BMP-3M variant allows for seamless operation of the new 9K116 3ATGM system, which fires laser-guided missiles with extended range and precision, capable of penetrating up to 800 mm of armor. The vehicle's amphibious nature, retained and refined with better water propulsion systems, allows rapid river crossings, giving Russian forces a tactical edge in diverse terrains from forests to urban areas. Looking ahead, the BMP-3's upgrades position Russia as a leader in IFV technology, with export versions offered to allies like India, further expanding influence. In summary, the enhanced BMP-3 embodies Russia's commitment to military excellence, superior protection against drones and explosives, unmatched firepower, and unmatched mobility. This unstoppable force is growing stronger, ensuring Russian dominance in future conflicts.